So if you're going to get a gun and you're going to carry it for your safety, for the safety of your family, loved ones, or maybe even others, by golly, get some training. And on top of the training, pick a gun that's you. And what I mean by that is don't pick a gun based on just its looks. Yeah, everybody wants a cool looking gun, but you want the gun. I mean, coolness doesn't make you accurate. Training makes you accurate. And it could be just the ugliest gun in the world, but it functions. It goes bang every single time. So when you go look for a gun, make sure that it fits you. It is got a good grip. And by good grip, I mean that it's comfortable. It's got good ergonomics. And everybody's hand's going to be different. Hand sizes are always going to be different. You want to make sure that you can get to the trigger well, right? My gun is empty. And you want to make sure that you can get to the magazine release. And you don't have to make a whole zip code change to get to it in your grip. So those are some things. You want to make sure that you can rack the gun, right? You want to know how to disassemble it. You want to know how to reassemble it. And there's tons of videos on YouTube about that. So this is completely and totally stock. There's nothing changed on here. It's kind of semi-custom the way Shadow Systems does it. The only thing I added was a CH Precision red dot, which are really good, by the way. And Streamlight TLR1. It takes Glock magazines, so really, really nice gun. Then if you're going to carry it, right, you're going to do a personal carry. You can do outside the waistband, you can do inside the waistband, appendix carry, which is kind of like right here, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. But if you're going to carry and you're looking for suggestions on holsters, Tenacor is by far, I believe, superior to anything and everything out there. The other thing I really, really like about this, the way the gun sits, is when it's in, I got a shirt over it, and I go for the gun, I can get a full purchase on the gun. I slide my finger right between the metal clips. It comes out and it's perfect for me right there. So whatever gun you decide to get for yourself, please go to a range, rent a few if they allow that, shoot them, and make a wise decision and choice on that. Because nothing's worse than getting a gun that you just base it on looks, coolness, some kind of movie or something, and then you go shoot it and it sucks. So, lesson learned, because I've done that numerous times. Learn from me. All right, thanks for watching.